Hey everyone, Keaton Tuttle here. This is for our course AEP 855. Um, just continuing on with a few of my courses. I am currently a technology instructor here at Emporia High School in Emporia, Kansas. I also coach track in the spring, which I'm actually getting ready to go to practice here in a little while. Actually, in February, I was named the head football coach here at Emporia High as well. So a few things have changed since the start of the spring semester for me. Starting to get a little busier. That's all right. Really looking forward to this course. Looking forward to interacting with a lot of you. I'm originally from Cherokee, Iowa. Went to Fort Hays as for my undergrad. Played football at Fort Hays after going to Iowa Western Community College for a couple years. Graduated high school in 2019 from Cherokee. Uh, like I said, went from there to Iowa Western to Fort Hays, and then towards the end of Fort Hays, wasn't sure what I was going to do, and decided to interview here at Emporia High, and now I'm in my 6th year teaching and my 5th year coaching here at the high school. I teach tech ed, so that involves drafting, carpentry, computer-aided manufacturing, and intro to technology, mass production 1, mass production 2. I've also taught some video classes, some graphic design, and just a lot of things that go along with the tech ed realm. It's the only thing I've taught in, only thing I've been in so far. Thinking about venturing out into a few different areas. I grew up on a farm, so ag has always been big to me. Wouldn't mind getting into that portion of education. And also, things like weights and whatnot. Now, with being a coach in a different role, I've kind of grown an interest for as well. Um, Look forward to learning right along with you. And it's nice to meet some of you.